Ask Tom on Home Show.
Jane from Maryville, Tennessee has a question about an attic ladder.
Yeah, she says, Tom, that this attic ladder is going to kill her one day.
It looks kind of ominous. Is that right? Yes.
It looks like quite the climb to me. This is, I'd hire somebody to go up there. All right. Jane writes, it's about 10 feet long. He says, when I pull it down, it's 10 feet of heavy wood headed for my head. My husband is in a wheelchair, so it's up to me to get up and down that ladder. He says it's at 3 sections, and the bottom 2 are long and heavy to pull down and push up. We've tried multiple different ideas, but none of them have helped. What options can you suggest, Tom, for access to this attic?
Okay, first off, you shouldn't be going up and down your attic. If you're storing a bunch of stuff in there, I would tell you to stop doing that. It's not meant to be a place where you put all your life's treasures for someday for someone to throw it away. And I mean that sincerely because I've seen too many people have to deal with that. And it also causes problems too. Now, for maintenance people and stuff that go in and out, they can probably handle it fine. Now that I've said that and gotten that off my chest, there are some ladder systems out there that are aluminum. You can have the whole mechanism changed, which means the whole thing comes down and a new one goes up that's lightweight aluminum. Some of them are telescoping. Some of them will fold down. They handle more weight as far as the person and if you're carrying something, and they're much safer. And they're much easier to get down and up because there's probably a quarter of the weight. I can't tell you exactly, but aluminum's much lighter than wood, but much stronger at the same time. So take a look at just replacing the whole thing with an aluminum one, and you decide. They have all kinds of styles that you can use, but the telescoping one might be the one you'll feel more comfortable with. If they don't have one that you can get your hands on, even the fold-outs are much lighter weight, so you don't have this thing banging on your head. But I think I'd look at the telescoping one first.
Yeah, telescopic ones would be the way to go. Now I will tell you, we changed one of ours out and put an aluminum one in there, and you're right.
Uh-huh.
It is easy peasy to get that thing up and down.
When I was building homes and they became popular, we moved all of our product line as far as those stairs. We went to aluminum with everybody. We didn't even ask. We just put them in. It's just even easier for us when we were building a house to go up and down.
Got a question? Tom will make it easy on you. Click on the Ask Tom button. It'll take you to this page where you got to make the decision. You can either write to us or you can send us a video. No? All right. But you can send us a picture, kind of like we saw there from Jane, and it'll help us do a better job for you and give you a quality answer. Even though without that picture, we would have known aluminum versus wood, but even so. Send us a picture. We want to do a good job, and we post a new one of these every day on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, and, of course, at HomeShowRadio.com.